Welcome back. I'm on a journey south. I mean, literally south of the Tyne, which is the majority of England and the UK in general. But yeah, I've never actually really been south before. I'm looking forward to it. I heard there's a lot of beauty kicking around down south, and I haven't really seen any of it, so we should be good. Yeah. So at the moment, I'm just big chilling at the North Yorkshire Dales, North Yorkshire Moors, taking in the scenery. I'll catch up to you when I catch up. Alright, I've maybe just drove through I maybe just drove through someone's farm. I'm past their gate now. You see I've even closed it and everything. So I'm going to crack on and yeah, we'll see where we get to. Welcome back. Tonight we're cooking a fantastic meal. Some tortellini and some ye olde old hot dogs. There's a secret ingredient that I'll save till the end, you know. Don't want to blow your load too early. But let's get cracking anyway. Oh, I've got the gas. I'll get some gas. Oh, got some gas! Gotta take that out before you, you know, the amount of times that I did not flip this over before putting the little thing down there. Yeah, I'm a stupid. Just a little bit. Pan. Let's get the pan on the gun. Correct amount of water in. You've got your handy dandy knife at hand. Put your lid on. Let it boil. We get a handy dandy tin opener. Right, so now you've got the water on the boil. We're going to prep the hot dogs. Now, lovely hot dogs these. They taste like just, I don't know, salty, fucking gelatinous goodness. But anyway, yeah, sorry. We're going to start by, as you can see, opening said tin with tin opener. Oh. Make sure you season your pants with the hot dog juice as well. And there you... Oh fuck! Don't season the seat! Don't set the seat on fire either. Oh, I'm fucking seasoning the seat now. The salty hot dog seat. Okay, so now that you've dejuiced your hot dogs, very simply, we'll just wait for the water to boil. Didn't work for some reason. Welcome to the operating table. Here we have a stove with some partially boiled water. What a sad sight. Now, why is it partially boiled, may you ask? It's got to run out of gas. So, old gas bottle out. And then now I'm going to go scurry it around. Easy as that. You just pop your new bottle in. Lock it in and go and boosh. And we're officially going boosh now. Water should continue to boil. So now the water has risen about 72 degrees. Let's get these tortellini boys in. There we go. There's one for one. Right, where's that hot dog? Oh, it's all the way back there. It's a good job I flash with bleach this. So we're going to go back to the old caveman method. Back in the day, before electricity, before factory farming, the old cave people on the plain would just tear up their hot dogs by hand. They didn't have fancy knives and things like that, you know. Bah. Voila, tasty soup, wouldn't you agree? Just you wait until the secret ingredient gets revealed. That's looking mighty fine. Give it a bit of a stir. Oh yes. What do you reckon? What do you reckon if we added some of this? Oh, there you go. Enjoy. Nom Oh, welcome to Whitehalls. It's a lovely view. That horse has quite the view. You ready? I'm going to do the van life at Tyne. Look at the view. It's lovely, isn't it? Oh, lordy. Got nothing for us. Good hot dogs. A few minutes while I go find another gas bottle. Oh no, right, let's move this. Go there. Alright, climb down here. Yeah. Oh, so many bottles. Move this back. Go. Right. Whew. So easy as that. Only the best soup. Just you wait until that. Just you wait. Yeah. Tastes better than the hair that's currently working its way in my mouth. I'll catch you later.